let us study the current sensitivity experiment. This is a circuit diagram. Here we are introducing the four-way key. This is a four-way key. Now if you see the circuit diagram, the positive of the battery goes to the variable resistance. Then second terminal of variable resistance goes to the positive of the microammeter. Negative of the microammeter goes to the one of the terminal of a four-way key. Then just we'll choose the key opposite of this, the connection, and that opposite terminal goes to the one of the terminal of a key, and the second terminal of key goes to the negative of the eliminator. Now remaining these two terminals of a four-way key connected to the galvanometer. So one terminal is connected to the negative terminal, and the opposite of that first terminal goes to the positive of this galvanometer. Let us start with the observation. The resistance of galvanometer is 100 ohms, and we have to keep the EMF of the cell is always 2 volt. So we have to fix this knob at 2 volt. Now if you look at this observation table, we are going to choose the resistance so that we will get the maximum deflection and we can able to measure the current in microammeter. So let us connect the galvanometer in the circuit by pressing or keeping these two keys just opposite of that. Now we'll choose the resistance, say 5000 ohms. Now measure the current. It shows 500 microammeter and the deflection in the galvanometer is 22 divisions. So for 5000 ohms we can write the reading. Resistance is 5000, current is 500. We will convert this current in ampere by multiplying 10 raised to minus 6. So that value is 500 into 10 raised to minus 6, and the deflection we got 22. Now in a similar way, we'll increase the resistance by the difference of 1000 ohms, and we'll note down the current in a microammeter and we'll see the deflection in a galvanometer. This by increasing the resistance by the difference of 1000 ohms, we get this reading. As the resistance increases, deflection in a galvanometer also decreases and also the current decreases. If you plot a graph of theta versus current, we get the line is passing through the origin and the slope we get 0.4571 into 10 raised to 5 division per ampere. To plot the graph, we choose a scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 50 into 10 raised to minus 6 ampere, and y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 division. Now we do the calculation of current sensitivity of a galvanometer by calculation using the formula theta upon Ig, and we get the reading approximately same, and the mean value we got it 0.4585 into 10 raised to 5. So our result for the current sensitivity of moving galvanometer S is equal to 0.4585 into 10 raised to 5 division per ampere by calculation and 0.4571 into 10 raised to 5 division per ampere by graph. Thank you.